Our ABC15 Border Watch, a federal judge pausing a Biden administration policy that would give spouses of U.S. citizens legal status without having to leave the country first.
It is a story we first shared with you back in June, and right here on ABC15 Mornings, we do want to bring in our Jordan Bonke with more. Good morning.
Hey, good morning to you guys. You know that path to U.S. citizenship, if you are not a U.S. citizen, is a long and grueling one. And as we get closer and closer to Election Day, it's politicians that are always putting this process into their crosshairs to try and improve it or exploit it for political gain. But here's what we know right now. A federal judge in Texas made a decision on Monday to put a pause on the Biden administration program that offers legal status to spouses of U.S. citizens. This comes after 16 states challenged the program, accusing the administration of bypassing Congress for blatant political purposes. All of those states have Republican attorneys general. This effort was launched by the Biden administration back in June, and it also allows non-citizen spouses married to U.S. citizens to apply and live and work in the U.S. without having to leave the country. Texas leads the challenge of this policy change, claiming that the state has to pay tens of millions of dollars annually for both health care and law enforcement because immigrants living in the state and in the country without legal status. Well, back in June, we heard from an Arizona immigration attorney who said this about how long the process can take to become a U.S. citizen under the current process.
We meet with a new client who is otherwise admissible, meaning that they're eligible for a green card. We have to give an estimate to them to get their green card, is looking at probably around 6 to 8 years.
There's a long time of uncertainty for a lot of these families, and when we get an estimate for how many people this can impact in the country, it's 500,000, with about 50,000 children that could be part of that as well. However, the pause for this ruling right now from this federal judge out of Texas is estimated to last just for about 2 weeks, but that could be extended just before the November presidential election because there's so many moving parts, and the next deadline is October 10th to file briefs in this case. We're live this morning. Jordan Bonke, ABC 15, Arizona.
Yeah, that includes tens of thousands of undocumented immigrants living here in Arizona right now as we track the legal back and forth of this case.
It is 6:09, and we're keeping